Okay, here I am up in Pamelaklacking, just walking along with Jing on our way through the woods. And I happened to bump into my old friend, Domingo Tata Kasoy. Oh, hey, whoa, Jing, in the red. Hey, Tata Kasoy! A 70-plus-year-old Aita senior. And anyway, I've been looking for him, and there he is, shouting at me from the trees. And I just can't believe it, this guy is 70-plus years old, just amazing. And a very dear friend of many years. Hi, Tata, my old friend.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Oh, fine. I'm work here. This a bamboo monkey trap. We cut a bamboo, close here and open.
Okay.
And a monkey trap, 2 stick here. Sign. Okay. Latest position. Banana, 3 slice. One banana is not good. 1 banana, 3 slice.
Okay.
For the monkey.
Yep.
Okay, here, the so big mini monkey. Okay, like this.
On the trigger.
Yeah, it's like a trigger.
Okay.
And open here. With big entrance and little entrance here, the hole for the wire cable. In the jungle, no cable. Vine or bark of tree or rattan. Yeah, and a stick here.
Right.
Okay. The monkey up in the tree. Yeah. Okay, like this position. Okay, like this position. Okay. Okay. Watch it. And like this position. Okay. And down. Okay. Here. Okay. Oh. Look. Oh, no people. Because a wild animal. Oh, no. Oh. Banana. Okay. Like this position. Oh, hungry.